Cool, so we just made it to Morro Bay. We're gonna go to Estero Adventures and go on a 2-hour boat ride. We'll see how that goes.
You two look like twins.
Pick up that phone, I can get that set up for you. So let's turn the power on. So stand-up paddleboards, kayakers, anything not under power, sailboats, they all have right-of-way. So we stop and wait for them. But you're gonna have some of these people renting kayaks and paddleboards, and they just pop right out. So they get so antsy, they don't look.
There was a bunch of sardines.
Oh, that's
Okay. Is this on? Do I turn it off now? Is it on?
I don't know. You press the power button.
It's counting.
Yeah, the Chapelis. They have like dinner and breakfast cruises, and they drive around.
Charters and events.
I can't. I can taste.
Look at you, dude. You're driving, huh? Are you driving the boat?
Yes.
You Captain Onyx?
Yes.
Nice. Morro Rock.
Tell me if we need to add any. If you don't, if it's too much, I'll make you one of these crackers. There's some powder. Don't come back to us.
Part of the jellyfish.
Why?
Go right there. Floating with the sea kelp.
Okay, Cope's coming down. First time on the boogie board.
Lay back.
Lean back a little bit. Scoot back a little bit.
Scoot back on the, no, back. Yeah,
Yeah.
like that.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, he's got
Okay, now you can get off. Hey, you're okay. You're fine. Just stand up. I got you. I'm right here. There you go. Now go back up. What? Oh, shoot. Are you going to try it?
lean back.
Huh?
Good job. Yep, like that. Perfect.
Are you going to try it, Dave?
No, I am not going to try it. He's going. He's kicking off. Go forward. You were going to go in. Go body
keep
surfing,
going, Tom.
Mom.
Oh, don't stop with your toes.
Don't stop with your toes. There we go.